Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So officially the ground was broken on the Pinnacle Towers in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Now the Pinnacle Towers is going to be the tallest building in Jamaica at 28 floors, and it's not one building, it's 4 towers at 28 floors each. That development is going to have over 500 apartments. So it's a residential apartment complex that's being built out by the Redding Peninsula in Montego Bay. Very nice area, luxury apartment development. We'll keep you guys updated on the project, showing you the actual site. Today we're just giving you an update. This is a Northern Coastal Highway that we're driving on. So we will give you the updates every 2 weeks on this project. Okay, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the groundbreaking ceremony. And the Prime Minister was at the ceremony, and we're going to go through that. But in terms of the tallest buildings in Jamaica now, the Pegasus was the tallest building until late last year, and the Pegasus was 17 floors. The Rogers completed its height and reached 20 floors late last year. So the Rogers at 20 floors is now the tallest building in Jamaica. But the Pinnacle Towers at 28 floors will be the tallest building in Jamaica once I guess they finish the building. And there's another building called the Ascent that's to be built in Kingston, and that one is 27 floors. So the Pinnacle is definitely going to be the tallest building in Jamaica. And remember, it's 4 towers at 28 floors each. Alright, so we're going to go through the update, the article giving you more information on this development. Prime Minister, the Most Honourable Andrew Holness, officially broke ground for the Pinnacle residential development in Montego Bay, St. James. Being spearheaded by LCH Developments, the project entails the construction of 4 28-story apartment blocks in the Redding area of the second city over the next 4 years. The private Pinnacle community will sit on its own peninsula and have over 500 apartments overlooking the city's marine reserve. It will entail villas, sports, leisure and shopping facilities, restaurants and a private residence club. Mr. Holness said that the project brings a new level of real estate development to the island. I want to congratulate the principals of LCH Developments. It is a visionary project. It is a project that shows quite a bit of bravery, and I know that there are many looking on and saying this is substantial, he noted. You are not only breaking ground today, but you are also doing something that is groundbreaking in Jamaica, he said, adding that the development will cement Jamaica's brand in the lifestyle segment of the hospitality market. It will add a new dimension to our tourism, and I am very happy for that, because our tourism product, which has carried us for the last 50 years, must diversify, the Prime Minister said further. In bringing greetings, Minister of Tourism Honourable Edmund Bartlett noted that the project will serve as a response to the call by millennials for development that incorporates environmental, social, and governance considerations. We are excited about that because this is creating a new opportunity for that new demographic to embrace Jamaica. The advent of this product also opens a new door in terms of city tourism. Montego Bay has been known to be a resort town. We are taking it to another dimension, Mr. Bartlett pointed out. Alright, so that is the groundbreaking for the Pinnacle development. Alright guys, let us know what you think. You can leave your comments in the section below, and we'll keep you guys updated on this project from start to finish. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.